Hello guys, so today we are going to see how the trains are going to change the tracks. You must have seen generally students are feeling that like in automobile we would be having a steering box in the train as well, and generally if you see the photo of inside, I will also show you that there is a steering wheel also, and students feel that by that steering wheel it is going to happen. But guys, that steering wheel is not for that purpose. That is for purpose of increase or decrease of speed. So when we are talking about the changes of track, for that a different arrangement is there, and for that I would like to show you, like for that wherever the two rails are going to join, there we are going to say it as a point, and there a point machine is there. I am showing you a view of the point machine. This is the point machine, and you can see in this point machine actually from the outlet of this point machine there are some levers are going on, and with the help of this lever you can see there are two rails, है ना, where this rail you can see is having a sharp corner. This sharp corner is said to be the blade actually. This is said to be the blade. So my dear, when the trains are going to change the track, that is possible from this from the view of this T point, and in this T point how the movements of this lever happening in such a way that this is going to either move in this direction or that direction, and that will decide that which rail the train is going to move right now. Okay, so guys, we will see on the PPT also. I will be showing you the exact with animations. Okay, so we will see the complete procedure how it is going to happen. In the starting days it was happening actually with the help of, you can say, manual only. Manual, a person was given the duty of doing all these things, but nowadays it is all automatic with the improvement of the technical things and the technology. So we will see that guys on the smart board as well, and I will also show you the design of wheel, because of which everything it is possible for the changing of tracks. सो गाइस, एक बार इस व्यू से हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर ये है, दिस इज ब्लेड, ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से दो पटरियाँ, एक तो सीधी जा रही है और एक ऐसे टर्न भी ले रही है. तो अब ट्रेन इसी पटरी पे जाएगी या टर्न करेगी, वो डिपेंड करेगा इस ब्लेड के मूवमेंट पे, ठीक है. अगर आप चाहते हो कि जो ट्रेन है मतलब वो इसी पे चले या मतलब या फिर दूसरी ले, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, या तो आप इस ब्लेड को इसके अंदर लॉक कर दोगे इन लीवर की सहायता से, तो इसके बाद ट्रेन इस वाली पे चलेगी, ठीक है. और इसी मूवमेंट से ही सब कुछ डिसाइड होता है. तो हम इसको पीपीटी पर भी समझेंगे कि किस तरीके से ये मूवमेंट होता है लीवर्स के द्वारा. पहले ये मैनुअल होता था, अभी सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक तरीके से होता है. तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि इसमें किस किस पर्सन का रोल होता है और किस तरीके से चीज़ें होती है. तो आई फील दिस इज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि रेलवे इसीलिए ट्रेन को ऑटोमोबाइल की श्रेणी में नहीं रखा जाता, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये रोड पर और ड्राइवर के हिसाब से नई चीज़ें चेंज होती है. यहाँ पर मोशन और सारी चीज़ें जो है वो डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म डील करते हैं. तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं, देखते हैं स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे कैसे होती है चीज़ें. Hello guys, so as you know, today's Sunday ka funda is going to be related to how trains are going to change the railway tracks. And my dear, for that we have just seen the demonstration. We have seen the point and the point machine, where the train is going to be monitored with the help of the levers. Previously the task was done manually. Nowadays it is done automatically with the help of, you can say, the signals are given there, and they are given with the help of the station master. Okay, and station controller is the main person where he is going to give all the signals and all. So guys, that we are not going into right now. We need to talk about how those movements are happening and how train is going to change the track. So guys, let us start with this, and this is some detail about me guys. And my dear, then I would like to show you how the things are going to happen. So like, first of all, before we understood, like this kind of movement is happening for the blade. So blade is getting interlocked into this, or it will be going away from this. Okay, when it will be going away from this blade will be interlocking. So whether this blade is going inside or this blade is going inside, that will decide that whether train will be going on this or will be going on this. Okay, so we will see how this is going to happen. So my dear, first of all, I would like to tell you, this is the shape of the wheel. If you can see the wheel, there is इसमें कुछ पार्ट आप देख सकते हैं. This is थोड़ा सा उभरा हुआ पार्ट है. This part is said to be the flange. तो अगर आप इसको बनाए व्हील को, तो कुछ इस तरीके का दिख रहा है. The wheel is looking like this. This is one view of the wheel. और obviously second side wheel will be like this. तो आप देख सकते हैं बाहर की तरफ जब आप जा रहे हो तो size is getting reduced. Okay, so that is the case. तो इसमें होगा क्या, ये फ्लैंज का डिजाइन ही मेन पर्पस सोल्व करता है. this is going to help us in really how the trains are going to change the tracks. Okay, so this is how the engine wheels will be looking like. Okay, so we will see how the things are going to happen. Now my dear, when you are going to have this to be inserted in this, then my dear, because of this this shape of the wheel, you can see this was the shape of the wheel. So when this wheel will be moving on this track, as this part is inside it, so it will be following the straight path. Okay, so when this will be interlocked with this, it will be following the straight path. But my dear, when this part will be interlocked, at that time you will see that wheel, because the wheel is having this flange inside. So that flange is inside, outer side we are having reduction in size. So that flange will be following on to this, because when it is interlocked, flange is inside, that will be following this. So then your train will be going on to that track. And the same can be seen from this animation also, you can see. Okay, this is how they are happening. That's what I said. Okay, so my dear, as I said, it is very simple to understand, but I am telling you, previously this task of changing the levers, of movement of lever at the point or point machine was done by manually, because at that time techniques were not there much, but there were chances of harming by the other persons when the person on duty is not present there. So then my dear, after that, what happened when the technology came, then it was also done that in every station, on the station you can say, where platforms are there, वहां पर कुछ rooms बना दिए जाते थे, from where it was getting controlled. Okay, ऐसा भी हुआ. And nowadays with the improvement or enhancement in the technology, अभी सब signal based काम होता है. तो station controller, station master, they are going to work for that. Okay, majorly station controller, that person is the most responsible person there, and that is why he is getting the highest salary out of all these persons, whatever we have discussed now. So this is the thing, how the things are, how the trains are changing the tracks, and that is how कि जो locomotives है, जो trains है, वो automobile से different है. Because in automobile you are not having that kind of things. In automobile, driver is deciding with the steering box. But जो steering आप रेलवे वाले कोच में देखते हैं, इंजन वाली बोगी में देखते हैं, वो जो होता है steering, वो स्पीड को कंट्रोल करता है. That is not for the controlling of this movement. Okay, तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है जो लोकोमोटिव्स को अलग करता है किससे, ऑटोमोबाइल से. सो गाइस, इसी तरह के और वीडियोस देखने के लिए संडे का फंडा और सुपर सैटरडे, ये सब चीजें चल रही है. बने रहिए हमारे साथ एंड डू like the session, share it, and also stay tuned with us, and you will be getting every Sunday such types of video to enhance your practical knowledge. So goodbye guys for this particular session. Bye.